So why should the age of students taking first-class Hannam classes be between 10 and 15 years old? Here are the reasons. Dr. Groh emphasized that one of the most important things that 10-year-olds are trying to develop is more autonomy. They can take on more responsibility, including tackling more things independently, like schoolwork, and using their time wisely. It is important to support their emerging autonomy by letting them take on new challenges when appropriate. Developmental psychologist Dr. Eliza Pressman advised to engage your 10-year-old in their critical thinking skills. At this age, they can contribute their ideas to solutions. They can come up with a roadmap for things they want to do. Our core subjects selected for training junior diplomat talents are world history, world geography, law, philosophy, model UN, mock trial, and leadership. These subjects must be studied consistently at least for 3 to 5 years, just like learning basic formulas in math and science to build a solid foundation as a future first-class diplomat. And there is absolutely no time to study them during high school if students first encounter these subjects after entering university. They will already be left behind on the global stage, so the best option is to learn them during the 10 to 15-year-old period, free from college entrance exams and when they have relatively more time. We focus on audiovisual classes in order to stimulate and maintain the interests of students aged 10 to 15 who are new to the core subjects essential to building a solid foundation to become first-class diplomats. We lead a paradigm shift in the education on diplomat training and international law from adults to preteens and teenagers. We lead a paradigm shift in education. First Class Hannam, First Class Diplomats. Lastly, we would like to introduce a special lecture on May 25th. Our special lecture is designed specifically for Koreans and foreigners aged 10 to 15. Why do we need to know the international law? What is the ROK-US Mutual Defense Treaty? What role does the USFK play? What is the difference between treaty and agreement? The U.S. Forces Korea, Special Advisor to the Judge Advocate, and Chief has prepared a special lecture on international law on May 25th, 2025. Please RSVP at your earliest convenience. We look forward to seeing you and your family at this enriching event. Thank you. For more detailed information on the special lecture, please refer to the attached flyer here. The background music you are listening to now is Flying, performed by Steve Bearcat. The contents of the First Class Hannam brand profile introduced today are registered with the Korea Copyright Commission, so we inform you that the copyright belongs to First Class Hannam and unauthorized reproduction is prohibited without the permission of the copyright owner, founder, and representative, Sophie Kang. Here is our contact information. Thank you. This was First Class Hannam.